Stay safe, sir.
Sir, good afternoon. Ako si Mark Ivory niyo. Thank you for pwede ba mong tabang?
Sige, paliw ko, sir.
Ano sa ninyo mga bata, sir?
May gipunit, sir. May gipunit, sir.
Tingnan ko sir, ha? Proceed to 5 back slaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tanaw.
Uy, natagap, sir.
5 chest thrust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wala gihapon kay nakitaan.
Proceed to 5 back slaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Walay natagap.
5 chest thrust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wala kay nakitaan, sir. Pagbalili mo ni baby na kuyapan.
Raise down.
Careful
Sir,
ka
ikaw
po.
na nag-racer, pareho kung tawag ng ambulansya na ibata dili na tukan. Padala o EAD o BBM, pagkuman, balik tayo dire. Perfect 30 compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Wala kay nakitaan na object, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
Tinaan ang object at pwede na ni mo makuha.
Fingers with the object, shoulder gloves, then English gloves, then check for breathing and airway. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Tinaan pulso, sir, pero wala na ginhawa.
Proceed to rest breath. Breathe, note and mouth and nose. Breathe 1001. Breathe 1002. Breathe 1003. Breathe 1004. Breathe 1005. Breathe 1006. Breathe 1007. Breathe 1008. Breathe 1009. Breathe 1010.
Ika 58, sir.
1058. Breathe 1059. Breathe 1060. Breathe. Check airway and breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Okay, sir, nanay pulso, nanay ginhawa si
Proceed
baby.
to recovery position. Then, butang na to sa aling ka mo eh. Okay, so sliding lang, ana lang. No?
Nalista ng kamo.
Ano then check for sample, secondary assessment, sample, then DKPTLS, then vital signs, if it's stable, 15 minutes, if 5 minutes goes unstable. Okay? Then kalima, mga to ang sabi kalima sa 5 emergency action principles. Referral, for order, evaluation, and management. Okay, para?
That's an referral.
Wala?
And that's the end of your infant and flower excavating pool recovery position. Okay, so next.